What is up? You're watching Sergio's Secrets. Before I get started, everything that I'm going to be talking about today is going to be linked down below. All my forms of social media will be linked down below. And give this video a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate it. If you subscribe to the channel, I would really appreciate you guys. I really want to grow my channel, and if you subscribe, it will make me super feliz. I'm gonna stop with the promo. Ya va a comenzar con el video de hora. So basically today I'm gonna be doing a small haul. I have hauls in this channel. But this time it's not really a lot of stuff. All of it is going to be like more designer-y, contemporary items. You guys, nomás tengo 6 cosas a enseñarte. Y voy a comenzar con los cosméticos first, and then I'm gonna start into more of like the nice stuff. I have a Prada bag right here. I have a pair of Gucci shoes that I bought. I will talk about that towards the end. Let's go ahead and get started with the first 4 items that are in front. So la primera cosa que compré is a candle, and it's a diptyque candle. And these candles are so extra, they're so bougie, but they're really pricey. I think these are $65, like $65 for a candle. Like I just really like diptyque candles. I think they're really nice. Like a veces me duele like to pay like $10 for a Bath and Body Works candle that's on sale. Me duele like so much to like swipe my credit card for it. But I just always wanted this one right here, and this is the diptyque candle in the vanilla, and it just literally smells like vanilla. Like I opened this the other day out of the package, and I put this out in my room, and it literally smelled without me lighting the candle. And I just really like how aesthetically pleasing diptyque looks on me in my room. I think it looks really nice, or even in the home. I have other diptyque candles in the home. I just feel like it looks very nice. It looks very elevated. It looks very like chill. An item, which is gonna be the last kind of like beauty type item, is going to be a hair mist, and this is the Flower Bomb by Viktor Rolf hair mist, and this one was I think $50 for an ounce. I just really wanted to try this. I wanted to try this out for a very long time. So what the bottle looks like, it's like in this frosted type of bottle. Spray it on my hair, and I feel like it doesn't strip or it doesn't do anything to my hair. And when I wash my hair, usually I wash my hair every 2 days, and when I wash it, I smell the Flower Bomb when I'm washing it off. And I just feel like I like how the scent really smells really well. It's always been a fragrance that I've always liked, and I always wanted to try the hair mist. I was like, you know what, now's the time to try it. And now I bought a hair mist, and this is probably going to be in every single one of my handbags. So I'm very grateful that I have a Flower Bomb mist. The approximate item is going to be something out of my comfort zone, and something that I never thought I would actually buy. The item I'm going to talk about is a pair of earrings from the brand Cult Gaia. I actually made like a poll asking you guys if you liked them, and actually Cult Gaia responded on Instagram saying that they love them. So, you know, if Cult Gaia tells me that they like them, I like companies that do that reply. It's really pretty. I do like the packaging on it. I like the way they market their items, and this was just presented, and I was like, you know what, I want to try something new as far as like adding jewelry to my collection. I thought this would be something really fun to add into the summertime, and this is what they look like right here. They are a pair, they look like the Cult Gaia bags, but these are the earrings right here, and I worn them the other day, and they are super lightweight. They don't weigh like anything. They don't hurt my ears or anything. Certain earrings, I feel the weight of it, and with these, I don't really feel anything. They're really beautiful. I can tell that they're really good quality, and when I wore them out that one day, I literally kid you not, I got 15 compliments that entire day on my earrings, asking me what they are, how do I get them, did I get them, like just so many questions on them, and I told everybody that they're Cult Gaia earrings. I was feeling myself, I was really confident in them. I definitely want to add maybe more Cult Gaia or more like jewelry like this. Usually I just wear studs, but something that's a little bit longer, I may want to start incorporating into my everyday life. And I think it's really fun, and you know, fashion is all about expressing yourself and trying things, having trial and error. And I think these Cult Gaia earrings have opened my eyes that I'm now going to be trying a lot of different variations of jewelry. And this one was $118. So those are the Cult Gaia earrings. These are from the brand Eero, and this is my first item from the brand Eero. So I'll show you the tag right here. They say Eero on them, and these are in a size are just a low-rise jean, and I've always wanted a low-rise jean. All of my jeans are usually high-rise or mid-rise. It was kind of a low cut. I don't know, I just wanted that kind of early 2000 vibes when people were wearing low-cut jeans, and I just think these are really nice. I love the wash of the denim. I love this beautiful blue color. I love how they're not straight. They have like a little bit of a flare, and I just think they kind of remind me of like early 2000s. I definitely want to buy like a vintage shirt on eBay, maybe like a vintage Dior shirt. I mean, I do have vintage band shirts. Like I have a vintage NSYNC shirt that I think this will go really well with. and I just wanted to add, you know, a low-rise jean into my collection because I already have so many, like, I have so much premium denim in my collection, but most of it is skinny and mid-rise and high-rise, and I just wanted to add something that's low-rise, and a brand called Eero Jeans, just because I've never tried anything from this brand, and this will be a nice introduction into this brand to see maybe if I want to buy more items from them. And yeah, so I went ahead and purchased these Eero jeans, and I'm so glad and I'm so excited to be styling these because I post a lot of my outfits, and if you ever want to ask me any questions, you can just comment or just DM me, and I literally reply so fast. But these Eero jeans are for the win. They are a pair of Gucci shoes. These are my first pair of Gucci shoes. This year has been a really Gucci year. I always felt like Gucci is too mainstream. Everybody has Gucci, but I feel like this item that I bought is really, really classic, and I feel like it's not. It was really popular before Alessandro Michel took over as the creative director at Gucci. So I feel like these will definitely not be going anywhere, and that I will get much wear out of them. And without further ado, they are the Gucci Brixton shoes, and these ones are gorgeous. I've already worn them 2 times. I didn't like how the way the sole wore for only wearing them 2 times. I have many designer shoes, and I personally don't like that the soles look like this after 2 wears, but a lot of my friends have Gucci. A lot of my friends have like the Gucci Princetowns, they have the Brixtons, and I just asked I asked if this is natural, like is this supposed to happen, and they said yes. So they look like this after 2 wears, but honestly, I love these shoes for the 2 times that I've worn. 4 spits. I just feel like these shoes are going to be classics, and I will have these in my wardrobe for a while, and I know that I will get a lot of use out of them. Usually I'm a strictly silver hardware person, but I think 2019 I definitely want to venture into different things. I want to have more fun with my style, and I think these Gucci shoes will definitely kind of help me with that. Like the Gucci shoes that I bought, I'm glad that I bit the bullet and I bought them, just because right now I'm really happy and I'm really satisfied with them. I just like that you can kind of wear them 2 times. Usually the only type of shoes that I had were like kind of like this, kind of like more of a leather shoe or Ferragamo. I have like 3 pairs of Ferragamos or kind of like this kind of structure, kind of like more of a dressy elevated shoe. Most of my shoes are usually sneakers or boots, so for me to add something like this from Gucci is definitely a good item that I incorporated into my collection, and most of the time I feel like I'm going to be wearing them like this. And the last item that I purchased is a Prada handbag. Now Prada is usually a brand that I like to stay away from. A lot of the bags are trendy, a lot of their items are trendy, a lot of the items don't hold their value, like literally like nothing, pennies on the dollar. And I've had really bad experience with Prada items in the past, and you know, I guess no estoy aprendiendo mi lección, so I just went and bought this Prada bag. It's a Prada wallet on chain. I've always loved this print from Prada. I wanted to get that bag, went ahead and bought it. This is not a bag that I see myself having even in a year times. I probably see myself using this for about 6 to 8 months and then getting rid of it. That I added this into my collection. I'll insert some pictures of me wearing this bag here. It's just this really nice kind of leather. It's nice and smushy. It's for a little while, and then I'm just gonna sell it, or maybe give it away to one of my friends or family and just say, here you go, I just don't want this in my collection anymore, and they will be really, really happy. And I'm very grateful that I have this into my collection. Like I said, this is just gorgeous. Like I just love it, and I'm going to be curious to see how this is going to wear. A little bit of different things in this video. Like I bought a Prada bag that I never thought I would buy, Gucci shoes that I never thought I would buy, like Kogaya earrings that I never thought I would buy. So even though this is more of a small haul, I just wanted to, you know, show you guys that it's nice and it's fun. If you have the means to buy more, you know, quirky things, I definitely recommend it, because I think fashion is fun, life is short, and if you want to wear something, wear it, because you could die tomorrow, you know what I mean? That's just a point blank period. When you're watching this video, I could be driving to work, I could be driving to the drive-thru, and someone could hit me and I will die. Like it's just that easy. Like we are so fragile, and you know, we live in a day and age where anything can happen, and you know, I mean, you never know if the next day is guaranteed. So I just say, just live your life day by day and try to be the best person that you can be. Yeah, for today's video, like I said, everything will be linked down below. All my forms of social media will be linked down below. And thank you so much for watching este video. Te lo agradezco que miraste este video. Y te miro hasta la próxima, because I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I expect you to be back on Sergio's Secret channel, alright? Adios.